The following is brought to you by paulakers.net.
Big eyes, big ears. I walk out of the Family Mart, the convenience store after I eat something. I notice all these road guys working. I go, I got to go check it out and see what the Japanese standard is for actually repairing a road. What are they doing? They're taping off the road. Could you imagine taping it off? And then they put down their primer, a little asphalt mix, and then they burn it in, and they do very precise work on everything. Their truck is perfectly organized. All their tools are right. There's not a sloppy truck anywhere. The guy's got a trash bag pulling up the tape. Then they burn everything in, make sure it's really hot. Then they spread all the asphalt down really professionally, and they do a perfect job getting it super, super smooth and very, very precise. And then after they do that, they bring the compactor around, they compact it. They work as a team, just amazing. And then of course they've got a crew out in the front and back making sure they're dealing with traffic. Everything's super safe. They got a solar panel lighting up the light system. Everything is done at a high level. The guy's actually mixing the asphalt in the back, making sure it's kept hot. They put a little chemical down at the very end to make sure nothing sticks to it. Put a little water down, and then the compactor comes across it so it doesn't stick to it. They have a little broom. They're sweeping up the road, and then I get a picture with them. Can you believe this? Only in Japan. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember, like and subscribe and pass this on to other people. Let's change the world together. And remember my app, 2-Second Lean Play. It's all free, and it has all my books in the audio version as well as some other great authors. You're really going to enjoy it.
Brought to you by paulakers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-Second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-Second Lean Play app at paulakers.net.